When we leave Morocco, when the plane takes off, we have the impression that in addition to leaving a continent, we are leaving a state of mind. Everything that awaits you at the other end of your journey will be of another order of existence. Either you understand Morocco interest or you don't. What keeps me coming back year after year is that it's like seeing the world without a lid. Morocco is not just a destination, it is a sensation. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the beating of the drum in your heart, and the thrill of the unknown. Experience the unique cultural fusion, where Berber, Arab, and Andalusian traditions blend harmoniously, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. Welcome to Morocco, a land where the ancient and the modern coalesce, where diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage converge.